Hello friends, in this video I will explain how to convert the given decimal number into the hexadecimal. Here we have to use the method of division by 16 repeatedly. In the first step, the given decimal number we have to divide it by 16 repeatedly, and while dividing that number we have to denote what are the quotients and remainders. This division method we have to stop only when the quotient becomes 0. And finally, the last remainder is considered as the most significant bit and the first remainder is considered as the least significant bit. Let us consider the simple example. Here we are having 6385.678, which is a decimal number, and we want to convert it into the hexadecimal number. So in the step first, let us firstly convert the integer into its hexadecimal number. So while converting this integer into the hexadecimal number, we have to divide it by 16 and denote the quotient and remainder. So here the first division, that is 399, and the remainder is 1. Further, we have to divide this 399 by 16, so the quotient becomes 24 while the remainder is 15. Now here the 15 is considered as a F in the hexadecimal number system. Further, the 24 again we have to divide it by 16, so we are getting 1 as quotient while the 8 as remainder. If I divide this one again by the 16, here the quotient will be 0, so that's why we have to stop here the procedure, and the last quotient we are considering as it is over here. Further, we have to consider the last number as the most significant bit while the first remainder as a least significant bit. So here the answer for 6385, it is equal to 18F1. Now let us see how to convert the fraction number into the hexadecimal number. So here the given hexadecimal number is to be multiplied by 16, and after multiplication the integer number is to be separated. So here in the first multiplication we are getting the answer 10.848. So here the 10 is to be separated. So in hexadecimal number system, 10 it is represented as A. Now further multiplication we have to do with the remaining fraction and the 16. So here again we are getting this multiplication as a 13.568. So let us separate the 13, and remaining fraction 568 is to be again multiplied by 16. Now here the 13 it is considered as a D in the hexadecimal number system. So after the further multiplication we are getting 7.384, where the 7 it is separated and the remaining fraction it is again multiplied by 16. So we are getting 6 as a integer number, and the fraction is now 144, which is again multiplied by 16. So in this process we convert the given fraction number into the hexadecimal number. Now while writing all these hexadecimal bits, we have to write the first multiplication number, that is 10, as a most significant bit, and the last number that we are getting is considered as a least significant bit. So here the answer for 0.678 is equal to 0.AD7624. Finally, let us combine the result of integer and the fraction. So here we are getting the answer for this multiplication.